name?
My name is Imit Bhagati.
Good. What is your father name? Father. बुवाको नाम के हो भन्यो?
Janak Bhagati.
My father name is भन्ने हो के?
My father name is Janak Bhagati.
Good. What is your mother name? My
My
mother
mother
name is
Ranjana Bhagati.
What is your name?
My name is Chandani Bhagati.
Good. What is your father name is?
What is your father name is? My name is.
होइन my father name is?
My father name is Nangati Bhagati.
Good. What is your mother name is?
What is your mother name is?
My mother name is?
My father name is.
Mother name is? Name is? के अरे सुशीला. Good. What class do you read? कति क्लास पढ्छौ? I reading?
Class 1.
What class do you read?
I reading class 1.
Good.